Hello, welcome back. So a client I met with today asked a very interesting question that I don't believe is covered as thoroughly as it should be on our platform. It's a very quick question and a very simple resolution, but as far as I can tell, it isn't covered too extensively on Qualtrics, so I figured I'd go over it right now. Now, if I head into this survey, the question they asked was, when someone is taking a survey, how can you determine what type of device they're using? And there are two ways of doing this. The first way, as you saw with the question just deleted, is something called a meta info question. This question tracks additional information about the person, like their browser type, version, OS system, screen resolution, and so on, that isn't really captured anywhere else in the survey. And it captures all of this behind the scenes without the person ever knowing that it's happening. So when I add this meta info question and preview the survey, you'll see the type of information it grabs. So once this guy loads, you'll see right here, what will load is my browser, the version, my OS system, and screen resolution. All of this information is captured behind the scenes and is never shown to the person taking the survey. So just answer yes and submit this. And then we'll do the exact same thing with the anonymous link so that you can see what that looks like from that perspective. So once I load that, that's gonna submit. So I'm gonna publish this so the meta info question stays, copy this anonymous link, and do the exact same thing but with the anonymous link. And you'll see the meta info question does not show up at all. So now I'm going to use the anonymous link to take this survey. And you'll see in the preview link or in the preview, the meta info question showed all the additional information that was captured in it, but in the anonymous link itself, nothing shows up. So once again, I'll breeze through this, submit that, head back to the survey. You should be good there. Perfect. Now the second way of adding this additional information to your survey is in the embedded data itself with your survey flow. So if you head to the survey flow, there's a very specific branch statement that you can use called device type to capture specific devices used to take your survey. So in this case, if you want to go pretty broad and just do mobile versus non-mobile, so let's be mobile, move this to the top, duplicate it, and then desktop. In this case, I set up a very simple branch statement where if the device type is mobile, it'll say mobile. If it's not mobile, if it's not mobile, it'll be desktop. Perfect, so that looks good. Now do the exact same thing as I did before. So first taking the preview, and then after publishing, so let me grab this anonymous link. While that's loading, I'll finish the preview here. So you'll see in the preview, the meta info question shows up. Speed right through that. And while that's submitting, I'll go grab the anonymous link. Perfect, so that's submitted without a problem. Then in the anonymous link, I'll do the exact same thing. Meta info question doesn't show up. I'm gonna just breeze through that. Awesome, so both of these guys are submitted without a problem. And then we'll take a look in the data analysis to make sure that that device type field got filled in. So it looks like there's one response still loading in, so we have to give it maybe like 30 seconds or so, then this guy will populate in here. So put this on pause, and then once that response does pop in, we'll take a look to see what's going on. All right, so the response is loaded in without a problem. And if we go here to column chooser, to embedded data, and select device, you'll see that for our last two responses, the ones after we configured the device type, they loaded in without a problem. To recap, the two ways you can get the person's device from your survey are 1. In the actual survey itself with a meta info question, or 2. In the survey field with branch logic. Hope that clarifies things. If you do have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out in the comment section below. Always happy to clarify anything or explain anything there. Additionally, if you do have any topics or videos you recommend I shoot, please once again feel free to reach out in the comment section below. I'm always happy to take any new ideas and record any videos that you guys find helpful. Hope that made sense, hope that clarified things, and I look forward to speaking with you guys again soon in the next video.